Well, back here closer to home, we are starting off with gray skies over the Golden Gate Bridge. Certainly going to be a little cloudy to start. That low cloud deck sticking around. In Concord, 56 degrees as you head out the door, 57 in Oakland, 56 in Livermore, and 55 in San Francisco. We're at 52 right now in Santa Rosa. Futurecast shows the clouds do pull back to the coast later today, so we will see likely some sunshine inland, but temperatures remain below average for this time of year, definitely on the cool side. Why? Well, we've got this upper level trough keeping things cool. That onshore flow continues. High pressure out in the Pacific. Usually we have that ridge sort of blocking these areas of low pressure to our north. That is not the case right now. So we are below average for this time of year, but high pressure is forecast to build in as we make our way into the work week. And with that will come warmer temperatures by, say, Thursday or Friday of next week. In the meantime, here's a look at what to expect as we finish off the weekend and kick off the work week. Some fog and drizzle. Clouds near the coast. Mild weather as we make our way into at least the first half of the week. In fact, temperatures continue to cool for Monday and Tuesday. It's not until Thursday that we start to warm back up and head the other direction. Slight warm up begins on Thursday, where we'll rebound back into the 80s for inland locations. Today, temperatures in the upper 70s for San Jose, mid 70s in Mountain View, 64 Pacifica today, mid 60s for San Francisco, near 70 for Oakland, topping out in the low 80s for the warmest spots inland, Fairfield, Concord, Livermore, mid to upper 70s for many folks in the wine country, Napa, San Rafael, Santa Rosa today. Heading out to the Palo Alto Festival of the Arts, hazy sunshine, mid 70s for you there today. And in Oakland, a tad bit cooler, struggling to hit 70 degrees for the Chinatown Street Fest, hazy sunshine for you there as well. Likely going to see clouds though for the good first portion of the day. Game time forecast. If you are not heading out to the A's game, because it's a Giants game today, so we're going to skip right by that and talk about your extended forecast. Here's a look at the extended forecast for you as temperatures begin to cool. We are in the low 80s for today, inland near 70 by the bay, low 60s along the coast. As we make our way though into the work week, we cool down into we're struggling to hit the mid 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday of this week for the warmest spots inland, keeping clouds around the bay and the coast through midweek. And then come Thursday, that's our turning point. We start to warm up into the mid 80s Thursday and Friday and on into next weekend.